Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on user permission in Cloud SCADA. Picture this: equipment monitoring rooms or park control centers where everyone uses the same cloud screen. Without clear user permission, you risk accidental shutdowns, data exposure, and a complete mess of who's allowed to do what. VNet Cloud SCADA platform supports refined component-level permission and configuration, breaking the limitations of traditional full-page permissions and accurately controlling the visibility and operability of each component. Based on the user management mechanism of VNet, you can customize multi-role permissions, covering multi-level permission groups including administrators, equipment maintenance staff, frontline operators, and regular read-only users. Now we will demonstrate the specific configuration steps and actual running results. First, log into the main account, create the corresponding subaccounts, and bind the devices associated with the SCADA project to these subaccounts. Step 2. Navigate to Permission Management on the SCADA web page and assign the SCADA project to the subaccount as well. Step 3. Open SCADA Project Edit page. Select target components and activate user permissions and security settings on the right panel. Add subaccounts to grant access. For insufficient permissions, you may set text prompts, show images, or hide components entirely. Lastly, save the project once all permission settings are completed. Preview the project using the main account first. No authentication is needed for the main account on components enabled with user permissions, regardless of whether component passwords are set. Next, log into the subaccount with configured permissions. When operating these components, no extra authentication is required, same as the main account. When logging in with a subaccount without user permission to these components, the project executes the preset scheme, hiding components, requiring component password entry, or popping up alert notifications. That's everything for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.